Before we get into today's video, guys, please make sure to go ahead and smash that red subscribe button and also ring that bell icon to stay up to date with all my amazing Minecraft videos. Hey guys, welcome back to another video with your main man, Smooth the Marky, and in today's video, I'm going to be heading to the absolutely amazing Dream Dimension. That's right, guys, I'm going to be heading to the absolutely amazing, awesome, and epic Dream Dimension, and I just hope when I make it inside this dimension, he teaches me all of his Minecraft secrets. And then I could teach him all of my Minecraft secrets. Then we could combine our Minecraft secrets and become the greatest Minecraft players ever. That would be really cool, guys. That would be really cool if we did that. But what you guys are going to need to head to this dimension, you're going to need 20 lime wool. You want to go ahead and place 5 of these on the ground. Just like that. Right there, guys. After you've done that, then you're going to need fur white wool. You want to go ahead and place 1 of these on each side of your lime wool. Just like that. Right there, guys. After you have successfully done that, now you just want to go ahead, run, and jump on up, grab your lime wool, and place 5 of these on this side, with 1 white wool right on top. Now you can just go ahead, look at that cow's butt, look at that pig's butt, also look at that chicken, and also look at that chicken's butt. Wow, guys, there ain't very many animals out today. Oh my god! Oh my god, did you guys see that? That chicken disappeared, and then that pig appeared out of nowhere, guys. Wow, that was freaky. Well, I'm not going to talk about that. I'm not going to talk about that, guys. But now you guys just want to go ahead and you want to jump on down, son of my buns. That cow's like, what? What? He probably don't even know what to think, guys. He probably don't even know what to think. But now you just want to go ahead and you want to place 5 lime wool on this side. And then 5 lime wool smack dab right in the middle. And then 1 white wool on the edge. Now you can just go ahead, run, and jump on down and take a look at this absolutely amazing, beautiful, epic frame you have just created, guys. Now you just want to go ahead, whip out your flint and steel, and light this baby up. Boom! Wow, guys, don't that look amazing? That looks so amazing. That should definitely make you guys want to scroll down and smash that red subscribe button if you have not already to stay up to date with all my amazing Minecraft videos. But now it's time to head into the Dream Dimension. This dimension is going to be so amazing, guys. Oh my god, guys. I knew Dream was a good Minecraft player, but I did not know he was this good. Wow, guys, I cannot believe this. I cannot believe what I am seeing right now. He lives in a mansion. And not only does he live in a nice, big, beautiful mansion, he lives in a mansion that has a stunning ocean view. That's right, guys. He lives in a mansion that has a stunning ocean view. I'm so jealous right now, guys. I'm so jealous right now. if he ever decides to get rid of this mansion, I really, really hope he gives it to me, guys. I really hope he gives it to me. Let's go ahead and see what's on the inside of this mansion. Holy whack-a-mole. He has a fireplace with a photo of his dad above it. That's probably not his dad. That's probably not his dad. Please don't be upset at me, Dream. Please don't be upset at me for saying that's your dad. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, Dream. Let's go ahead and check out the rest of this mansion. Wow, this place is really, really nice. Wow, I really love his kitchen. Wow. Let's go ahead and see what's inside these chests. No way. We got cooked chicken. And we also got baked potatoes. Wow. Let's go ahead and see what's inside this chest. What? We got even more cooked chicken. And we also have even more baked potatoes. Wow, he really knows me, guys. He really knows me. Wow, I really, really do love this kitchen. How he has the double-sided fridge. He also has a nice, beautiful sink. And he also has a luxury oven. Wow, guys. He's living the dream, guys. He's living the dream. Look at this. Wow, he has 2 cakes. 2 cakes. He must have knew I was coming, guys. He must have knew I was coming. I'm going to go ahead and eat this cake. I'm going to leave this one for him, guys. I'm going to leave this one for him because I'm a nice guy. I'm a nice guy. But wow, I really, really love this mansion. No way. He has an armor stand with full iron armor on it. Wow, that's really cool, guys. That is really cool. Let's go ahead and see what's inside these chests. No way! 2 sets of diamond armor. I gotta take one of these sets. He had to. He had to have known I was coming, guys. I cannot believe this. This is the greatest day of my life. Until this happened. Until this happened. We won't talk about this, guys. We won't talk about this chest. Let's go ahead and see what's inside this one. He just gets me so good, guys. Wow. So much TNT and enchanted apples. Wow, this guy really knows how to treat a guest. Let's go ahead and see what's in this one. No way, diamonds. I'll leave him one. I'll take one. Wow, guys, he really got it going on. He really got it going on, and no way. He has 2 more sets of diamond armor. Wow, this is amazing. You know what? I bet he's hiding something secret behind this painting. No, he wasn't hiding nothing. He wasn't hiding nothing behind that painting. But wow. Look at these guest bedrooms. Wow, this is where I'd be staying, guys. And I'd be jumping on this bed all the time and looking out at that humongous swimming pool. Wait a second. He has a humongous swimming pool in his backyard? I gotta go for a dive in that, guys. I gotta go for a dive in that. I cannot believe this, guys. I cannot believe he lives in a mansion with a humongous swimming pool out back and a hot tub. And a hot tub. Wow, guys. This place just keeps getting better and better and better, guys. I'm going to go for a dive. I'm going to go for a dive with my diamond. Let's go ahead and see how this works out, guys. Oh my god, that was so amazing. That was so amazing and refreshing. Really refreshing, guys. Wow, I just absolutely love this mansion. Let's go ahead and check the rest of it out. This place is amazing. Wow, I really, really love this place. Where does this lead? Whoa, guys, this kind of looks scary. I'm not gonna lie. This kind of looks scary. No way! He got an automatic farming system. Wow, I've got to make myself one of these. Wow, this place is amazing. What is this? Let's go ahead and start checking some of these. No way, we just hit the jackpot, guys. Diamond axe, diamond pickaxe, diamond shovel, and a diamond hoe. All the stuff I needed, guys. All the stuff I needed. Wow, guys. This dimension's so amazing. I really, really love this dimension. Let's go and see what's inside this chest. What? He has a bunch of iron and a bunch of gold. No freaking way. He has a block of diamond. He actually has 2 blocks of diamond, but I'm going to leave him with 1. You know what? I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to put this one down. I just like looking at these guys. I love looking at these. Wow, that is amazing. I could look at this thing all day and all night. Well, I just love diamond blocks. But let's go ahead and let's see what's in here, guys. No! No way! I'm your hugest fan. I absolutely love you. Wow, I cannot believe this. I cannot believe I am actually meeting up with Dream. Wow, guys, this is a dream come true, guys. Wow. I want to give you something, Dream. Because I love you so much. I'm going to give you some baked potatoes. And I'm also going to give you a diamond. Wow, I mean, it was kind of your diamond. I do have to admit that. But I cannot... Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, Dream. Please don't hate me. I accidentally hit him, guys. I'm trying to break all these flower pots because I hate flower pots, guys. I'm going to break them all. I don't know what it is about him. I just don't like him. But wow, I cannot believe I am actually meeting up with Dream in his luxury, like, man cave / hideout place. This is obviously like where he hides, guys. So like no zombies or no creepers or nothing can attack him. And he probably watches a lot of TV down here, guys. I know I would. I'd be watching TV all the time. He probably watches a lot of TV. But wow, this place is amazing. Do you got something hidden behind these paintings? Oh, he might, guys. He might. Let's go ahead and check. That wasn't so exciting. You know what, Dream? I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to check out the rest of your mansion. Is that okay? Yeah, that's okay? Alright, I'm going to do it. I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to leave him with my pig, though. I'll be back. Pig. My pig better not do anything stupid. He better not do anything stupid to get me kicked out. But wow, guys, this place is just so amazing. I knew it was going to be amazing. I just didn't think it was going to be this amazing. And what is this? This must be his bedroom, guys. Wow. I cannot believe this. And oh, snap. Dream's taking a shower? What the heck was that? I thought he was still down in his basement, down in his man cave. What the actual heck? Is there like a secret entrance or something? How the heck did he get up here in his bedroom? Wow, this is a really nice bathroom. I really love the toilet. Wow. I cannot believe this. Where did he go? Right there he is. Wow, I cannot believe I am actually with Dream in his bedroom and his bathroom. I think he really loves taking baths. I think he really, really loves taking baths. But let's go ahead and check out the rest of this place. Wow, this place is so amazing, guys. Wow, this must be his computer, guys. This is probably where he plays Minecraft. And he also, like, edits his videos and everything, guys. Wow, this place is amazing. I know I told my pig I was going to head back down into the basement. But I'm not going to do that. Because I really, really love this place. Wow. Another cake. You know what? I'm going to go give this to him. I'm going to let him enjoy this. I'm going to let him enjoy a cake in his bathroom. Next time he comes into his bathroom, he can eat some cake. Where did he go? He keeps running. He's looking out at the view, guys. He's looking out at the view. Wow, this place is amazing. I really, really hope he lets me live with him. This could be my bathroom. This could be my bedroom. And this could be where I watch TV, guys. So I could sleep in this bedroom, edit my videos on that computer. I could take my baths and, do other things in this bathroom. And then I could watch TV in this room and also eat cake. Because I love to eat cake, guys. I really, really love to eat cake. Wow, I cannot believe this. I cannot believe this. Wow, guys, let me know what you guys thought about this absolutely amazing dream dimension down in the comment section below. And also let me know what you guys thought about this absolutely amazing mansion with an amazing view and also humongous swimming pool out back. I absolutely loved it, guys. I absolutely love everything about this mansion and this dimension, everything else, guys. I also really, really like Dream. But let me know what you guys thought about it. And as always, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, comment, and most importantly, smash that red subscribe button. And until next time, thanks for watching, guys. Bye!